Hey guys, welcome to Connect Dots. Today we are going to solve sequential digit problem. Okay, they gave an integer has a sequential digit if and only if each digit in a number is one more than the previous digit, right? And they are asking to return a sorted list of a sequential digit. They will provide a range, right? So here is example. The range is from 100 to 300. So out of those number between 100 to 300, we will get only two number that follows the sequential digit. So if you see 2 is greater than 1 by 1, similarly 3 is greater than 2 by 1, and similarly 234, 3 is greater than 2 by 1 and 4 is greater than 3 by 1. So these two are the sequential digit, but apart from that, between 100 to 300 we will not get any, right? Will Okay, they provide a constant where low is greater than or equal to 10 and high is less than or equal to 10 to the power 9. So when we try to compute the next number, there we may get a integer overflow condition. So we need to handle that also, right? Okay, so we'll move to the solution. So for that, we have to return a list of sequential digit. Okay, so we'll initialize it as a array list, right? Now if you see the digit, right, digit will be between 1 to 9. So if you write 10, then it's not a single digit, right? Okay, so what we are going to do for each digit, we will try to find out all the possible outcome that follows a sequential digit definition, like 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 1 to 9, right? So this is for 1. Next, in next iteration will digit will be 2, then 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 6, like that. Okay, so for that we required one next digit is nothing but digit, because so every time for the number digit we are going to find all the possible combination, all the possible sequential digit, right? So for that one we will use the next digit, and one number that will get with the help of next digit, right, which will be used to compare with the index, sorry, with the range, right? So here we will do while number is less than and equal to high and next digit is less than 10, right? Even for internal while loop we need to make sure that it doesn't increase 9, right? So we'll check if the number is greater and equal to low, it means we have a number which follows sequential digit, right? So we will add it in a list, right? Now this is the uh, step that we add in the list. So next thing is how we will form the number. So for that, let's assume a variable n. So how we'll get, we need to multiply by 10, right? If we have a number 11, but right now we have number 1, so how we get the 11? Multiply 1 by 10 and add the next digit, right? So here is the next digit, right? So before that we need to increment the next digit, right? Why are we doing this? Because starting we already consider number is nothing but the next digit. When we are going to add the next time, obviously we'll have one more than the previous. So we are incrementing it, right? Now for the overflow condition, if n is greater than the number that we calculated previously, it means we have a right number, we'll assign it with to the number, else overflow condition occurred. So we'll break it, we will not add to the list, right? So now again when digit is 2, we will initialize the number with a 2 and we'll check until unless it is less than or equal to high. We will check whether it is greater than the low or not, we'll add, and we will try to find that number from starting from 2, right? So let's suppose that next digit is 2 and the number is 2. So here I will increment it, next digit will become 3, number is 2 into 2, 20 plus 3, 23, right? Similarly 2 3 4 2 3 5, like that we need to add it. Okay, so this is pretty much the logic, and we have to return it as a sorted list, right? So collection is the best, we can use it, we will sort it, and we will return our result. I think this is pretty much about this problem. Cool. So we'll submit it. I think submitted. Yeah, it has submitted. So what we need to remember is how we will keep the track. We need to iterate from 1 to 9, and for each digit we need to iterate from that digit till 9, and we need to find out the possible combination and how we get the number. This is the simple step, right? So yeah, that is the pretty much. Thanks.